Hey guys, what is up? We're back with another nail tutorial. For those of you that don't know me, my name's Janessa, aka SLAYBYJAY, and on this channel, we like to do nail tutorials. I post 2 videos every single week, either doing a beginner step-by-step tutorial for nails or reviewing a polygel kit. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then please subscribe. But today, we are going to be reviewing this bad boy. Gershion sent this over to me. Thank you so much to them. I asked you guys on Instagram if we should do some extra long nails or if we should do extra short nails. And what do you know, long nails won. Only by a sliver though. So I'm going to be doing some long nails in this tutorial, and then the next video we'll go ahead and do some short nails. So don't worry girl, I got you. If you guys want to see how I create these beautiful extra long nails, then please keep watching. Okay, bye. All right, let's get started. Thank you again to Gershion for sending this to me. You guys can get this off Amazon if you'd like to purchase it. Let's open her up and see what's inside. So we get this cool little thank you card. They include an instruction manual. You guys can pause it if you want to read that. Then they include a pack of nail forms, a 100-180 grit nail file, a standard nail brush and spatula, a pack of dual forms. I'll link my video in the cards using these. And then we also get a base coat and top coat. And then they include a bottle of nail surface cleaner or slip solution. So let's do some swatches. I've missed you guys so much. We finally have our move done. We didn't end up getting the original house I told you guys about, but we got a different one and it's so cute. We love the area so much. So I'm back, I'm blessed. I just gotta unpack now. But look at these shade color, you guys. Aren't these so pretty? Wow, this reminded me of like bridal fit, like ombre, you know. So let's do it, some nail prep. I'm gonna buff my nails. And then after you buff your nails, I'm going to remove all the dead skin around my cuticles. If you don't have an e-file, you can do this with whatever you got, but just make sure you get all that dead skin. And then I'm going to cut down my natural nails. I just don't like them to show through my extensions. So, and then you need to buff the surface of your nail, remove all the imperfections, remove the shine, all that jazz. And then we're going to dehydrate our nails, and then we're going to put 2 coats of primer on. Young Nails suggests that you do 2 coats, so just do 2 coats, girl. And then once we're done with that, we're going to do a layer of base coat, and then you cure the base coat, and then the next step's optional. I do the Beetles nail strengthener, which I absolutely love. It's like a cute little shield. I don't know why I said cute, but so after that's cured, remember you guys wanted XXL nails. I got these ones from the Attitude shop. I've been using her in like all of my videos. I love her products. Look how awesome these are. They have like a pre-made well in them. I'm going to use them as full cover nails. And I also got this UNT peel off base coat. The directions say to apply before nail polish, wait 5 to 7 minutes for it to dry. This stuff's so cool. So it felt like really cold when I was putting it on my nails, and it's for like people that do a lot of swatches or a lot of nail tutorials. Like the nails literally just pop off when you're done. So I'm going to be using base coat to cure these to my nail. You can use nail glue if you want. I'm just doing the Apres method. You put the base coat on all of the nails, and then you just apply them to your natural nail and then cure under your lamp. Super easy. With this base coat, or with the UNT peel off base coat, they were like popping off, you guys, like, so I end up cutting them. Obviously these aren't the length that I keep them. I end up cutting them a little bit shorter. I just didn't get that on film. I keep my thumbnail a lot shorter because I gotta use my thumb for stuff. Even though I just pop these off at the end, I'll show you guys how to do it. But yeah, it felt so fun having these on. They were like so heavy. So here's the shape. I'm gonna start off by applying the polygel to all of the nails. I do the same thing on 4 fingers, so I'm just going to show you 3 in this tutorial. I hope that's cool. So I just take a big, huge, like, I don't want to call it a bead, I want to call it a string of polygel. Gershion Polygel, if you've never used it before, it's a lot more stiffer. So if I had to choose between soft polygel and stiff polygel, I'm going to choose stiff polygel all day because it won't flood my cuticle. It's up to me where it goes, you know what I mean? When you have soft polygel, it tends to just flood your cuticle, slip, slide, be sticky. Gershion Polygel is not like that. You can see, like, you can watch in my tutorial, I have to move it for it to move. In some of my tutorials, the polygel, especially with the lights, with all the lights I have while I film, the polygel tends to like run, slip, and all of that. And so Gershion's is really awesome. I think it's my favorite polygel, actually. I think it's my favorite out of all the brands. Do you guys agree? Like, what's your guys' favorite? Has anyone had any problems with Gershion? So I did notice though with the slip solution, like I had to use a slip solution a lot. Like I had to dip back in it every single time pretty much because this polygel is a little bit on the stiffer side. But yeah, I love it. It's awesome. These colors too, so transparent. I mean, not transparent, what? So pigmented. They're not transparent whatsoever. On all my nails, I just used 1 layer, except for this one because I like picked up a little bit from my last nail and then put it on this one so I didn't waste it. You guys always see me do that. I don't like to waste the polygel. But yeah, I wanted to keep it really simple since I was doing these long nails. It takes a long time to do these long ones, and wanted to keep it, you know, a little bit easier, especially with my move and everything. But yeah, I attempted to do an ombre on my ring finger. The 2 colors I picked, they were almost too similar in color, so it's a little hard to see. But you guys will just watch. When you do an ombre, you have to start with your with the tip first. So you'll blend the tip out, cure it, and then you'll go in with your cuticle color. And it's simple as that, boo-boo. I was having like the hardest time deciding nail art because these long A nails, like, oh, you guys, I like was procrastinating this tutorial so long because I was moving, and so nobody can have these nails while moving. Like, what? You have to be insane unless you want to break all your fingers. And then I got that UNT base coat, and these nails, when I was done, popped right off. Like, I don't know why I haven't been using this sooner. It's so awesome. So I'm also teaching you how to apply peel off base coat, and yeah, at the end, make sure you stick around to the end because you guys will see me pop these off and how easy it is and how the integrity of my nails underneath just are flawless. So I'll let you guys watch for the remainder, and then we will do the top coat stuff. As you can see, I added way too much polygel on this nail, so I just am gonna scrape that off. Don't judge me. So those of you that watch my channel, you guys already know that I love to cap my nails with the IBD hard gel. So after I'm done applying all the polygel, I then take my favorite product ever, this stuff, and I just apply it to all of my nails. I just do like a, you know, evenly nice thin layer. If I were to use clear polygel, it would make these nails way too thick. I'd be filing for days. So you can like use if you have Saviland Acrygel or anything like that, any kind of thin builder gel, cap your nails with it before you file. It'll just make life so much easier. That way you don't file any of your color off and your nails aren't too thick. So I'm applying that to all the nails. I'm then going to cure that, and then when I'm done curing, I then am going to take some acetone and remove the sticky layer from all of my nails. And then once I'm done with that, we're going to get into the filing. I just use my hand file while doing this. I probably could have got away with my e-file, but you guys know that I'm not really comfortable with my e-file yet. Whenever I use it, I tend to just go really like too much with it, and I mess up the shape, I take the color off, and I just need more practice with my e-file. So yeah, but I show you some of the motions when you file with your file. Make sure you're doing it even over all the nails. And then look how gorgeous the shaping is. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. So I'm taking my base gel, or base gel, and I'm going to apply a thin layer of that to all the nails. Obviously, this took like a good 10 minutes because these nails were so long, and I like to like scratch the base coat back and forth so it gets all the scratches out of my nails. I cure that, and then I take this rhinestone glue. I had no idea what to do for nail art. Like, I was stumped. But my ombre didn't turn out very cute. You guys can see it looks like shiz. So I apply the rhinestone glue on that nail, and then without curing, I go right in with the top coat. And then I decided to do some cute little flowers with rhinestones. Like, how cute did this come out? I don't know, I just was like, could I do flowers? Like, of course I could do, of course. So I throw on 4 of them for you guys. Kind of fun, huh? You could totally do it with like shorter nails too, like, yeah. But I just did it on this one nail. I wanted to keep it clean, classy, elegant. And then after I'm done with this, I apply top coat on all the rest of the nails and then cure it, and then we'll go on with our cuticle. I think the flowers turned out so cute. I cannot believe I haven't seen this before or thought of it. Do you guys like the flowers? So, okay, I'm gonna cure this, and then here's the cuticle oil, and then voila, motherfucking wah, here are the final result. Do you guys like these? I know that these are so long. These are not practical at all. Don't worry, I took these off right about and now. So look at this. You guys, can you believe that? Like, pop. This is from that UNT base coat that I applied earlier. When you're done with your nails, you literally just like wiggle them a little bit and they plop right off. And the integrity of your nails is perfect. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Love you all so much. Bye.